Welcome to today's webinar titled Ruskin Inspector Wireless. My name is Mike Collazo, Product Application Specialist for Life Safety Dampers. Today, I'll briefly discuss the main reasons why we should test and maintain UL dampers. We'll also examine what the codes and standards say about damper inspection, testing, and maintenance. Then I'll explain how the new Ruskin Wireless Inspector System can be a vital tool for building owners. So the question, why do we need to monitor and test life safety dampers or UL dampers, should seem obvious, but there are a lot of facilities where the dampers go completely unnoticed or only get attention when absolutely necessary. The last thing a building owner wants to be faced with are dampers that don't work in the event of fire and there is loss of life. So this is the single most important reason why these dampers must be maintained. Now this slide has some interesting facts. One of the most alarming is a 3-minute fire flashover, meaning fatal conditions from smoke can occur 80% faster than fires back in the 1950s. But this does not diminish the huge cost associated with damage to the structure. Properly installed and working fire smoke dampers help prevent loss of life, provide egress for early responders, and a safe path out of the building for its occupants. The building owner is ultimately responsible for the equipment in the facility according to code. As you can see, the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, is the recognized authority in the industry concerning damper inspection, testing, and maintenance. The main code requirements described in NFPA 80 and 105 are stated this way. After the damper is installed, a test and inspection shall be conducted. Then, after 1 year of installation, each damper shall be tested and inspected. After that, the requirements change to every 4 years, except hospitals, which is every 6 years. And damper testing and inspection shall be documented. NFPA 90A also requires dampers to be operated prior to occupancy, and 92A and 92B also deal with testing when the damper is part of a smoke control system. AMCA, the Air Movement and Control Association, and Ruskin, as well as most of the damper industry, recommend that actuated fire smoke dampers be cycled at least twice a year. Well, that brings us to the new RFDI, Radio Frequency Damper Inspector, or Wireless Inspector. Ruskin developed this tool to make testing motorized dampers much more manageable, and although it is geared for life safety dampers, it could also be applied to any motorized control damper. And do keep in mind, many dampers are in hard-to-reach locations and can be a challenge to even access. This is why Wireless Inspector is a valuable tool. The Wireless Inspector system equipped each damper with an addressable communication card. The card is housed in an enclosure that ships loose with the wire whips for fast and easy termination. We designed the RFDI with factory whip so that the same trade installing the damper can complete the installation. Then the electrician will terminate inside the RFDI enclosure rather than at the damper. Here you see the wireless damper interface circuit. This is a screwless wireless termination block to allow a speedy and secure connection between the RFDI and the single-point power connection on the damper. It is housed in a 2-piece metal enclosure with wire knockouts to facilitate standard conduit connections. It also comes with an integral 120-volt to 12 VDC transformer to simplify the installation. The microprocessor stores the logic for functionality and damper address information. The handheld controller, shown here, communicates wirelessly through walls and ceilings to locate the dampers within range. The simple press of a button searches for dampers and the display reveals them by name. Free software allows the user to change the name of each damper and sort it by location, floor, or area. To test a damper, you simply scroll down to the damper, press the test button. The LCD screen will let you know the test is in progress and if it is a pass or a failed test. So to recap today's discussion, remember that code does require dampers to be tested and maintained, and the Ruskin Wireless Inspector system is designed with that in mind. Each damper can be easily located and tested by the handheld device and be able to download necessary test report information. We hope this product will be considered on future jobs. Thank you for your time, and I would now end today's session.